Oh, what a feeling to have a fully clean house for the first time in 2 months. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maury, but you can call me Mo. Get it? Mo does DIYs. I'm a newer DIYer and I started a few weeks ago, and so I'm literally having the time of my life. This is where I am my happiest. If you love Farmhouse and BOHO decor using Dollar Tree products, then make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're always notified and you never miss my videos. So today's video is going to be my $40 Visa gift card giveaway. I do a winner every month. And then I'm also going to share some $1 organization and hacks and dupes that have really helped me, and some things that are older and newer, and so I just felt like sharing. On that note, let's get to the video. Oh my word, I don't think I can describe how excited I am that everything has a place, everything is organized. I even organized my giant crafter's closet. I even have a spinny crafter's chair. Oh, happy Mother's Day to me. Alright, so let's move on to this $1 organization and hacks. So as you know, you can find these lanterns from the Dollar Tree, and yes, they do work. So I decided to take the tops off and put them in these pretty little lanterns. That is a $1.50 lantern, which is a great deal. But you know me, I decided to elevate it even more. And so you can find these at the Dollar Tree. These are brand new. Summer 2020 from the Dollar Tree. And I decided to put them in here, and I was like, ooh, these are sharp. Okay, I'm digging this. But you know me, I wanted to elevate it even more. So I decided to take my little old hot glue gun, and I was like, da, 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 da. All right, let's add this onto a candlestick, and oh my heavens, this is my favorite DIY I've done today. Look at this. Wait till you see how high-end looking this looks. I put this in my bathroom. I end up putting this in my front room. Like, I'm literally obsessed, and I kind of can't get over how it looks like a pineapple. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. All right, let's move on. Alright, so if you're like me, your vanity area or your area where you do your makeup gets messy fast, right? Am I right? Doesn't it turn into a sloppy mess? Alright, so I have some hacks, and as you can see, I have an airbrush machine. I love doing my nails, but I have too much of it. So I decided, you know what? Let's take these 25-cent little hooks from the Dollar Tree and hang them in the back of my closet, and let's put everything out of sight, out of mind. I hung my purses up there. Yes, those are Gucci. I got them for Christmas. Those are the only two I own, so I'm really proud of them. And I hung my favorite leather jacket, and I love it. This is so helpful. So then I'm like, you know what? Let's elevate this even more. These are Dollar Tree Summer 2020 products, and they come 3 in a pack, so 33 cents to organize your stuff. I mean, you kind of can't beat it. And so now all my favorite nail polishes are within reach, but they're out of sight, out of mind. And it actually looks cute too. You could paint these, you know, there's so many ways you could transform these. You know, it's incredible. All right, so moving on, we've all seen these little things at the Dollar Tree that you can put all your nail polishes in. So I decided to elevate it and turn it into a couple things. Shocking, right? So I took my gray spray paint and I sprayed just the back side so that it would still have a shiny look when I put my nail polishes in. Now that looks really classy and high-end, and now I can have my favorite nail polishes easy to grab, where I don't have to grab that big giant thing. See this big giant thing? I don't have to grab it out the closet every single time I want to grab my favorite polishes. You know what I mean? So this video is all about trying to make life easier. So I decided, you know what? I have this spot on my counters. We got granite, and I love my counters, but my mail always becomes a mess, and I always end up shoving it behind my what's it called? I'm having a brain fart. Jesus, Mo. Behind my coffee maker, and then they get lost. And so I decided, you know what? Let's turn this upside down, and let's turn this into a bills holder. So now I'm never gonna miss all my important bills, and I'm never gonna get my cable shut off. Anyways, this video is just all about making life easier, and I hope this helps you too. And so I also want to mention I used my Cricut maker to make that bills stencil, and I just attached it on. Alright, I'm so excited to share this idea. This is a $6 Farmhouse tiered tray. Oh my gosh, say that 10 times fast. $6 I can't even do it. Well, basically, I wanted mine black, and I wanted it to be farmhouse and a little bit rustic because I have all that white chalk paint that had just come in the mail, and so I'm set for the next year and a half. And so I just took them outside and gave them a really good coat of my chalkboard spray paint. Oh my gosh, I cannot say enough good things about this professional glue gun. I will link it in the description. It is worth every penny because I was using my regular hot glue gun and these were like literally falling apart, splitting in half. Like it was not sticking. I used my hot glue gun, my professional one, and it stuck and these are not moving. Like this is equivalent to literally some E6000. So then I basically just took white paint, gave it a farmhouse look, added all my chalk paints that are my favorites, and I was done. Everything on here you can find from the Dollar Tree, besides the paints, of course, even the apple. And so I was just setting everything up, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this. I even made a boho tiered tray. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even handle this. I'm having the time of my life here. And so I want to share another hack too. I had painted this Pringles can in a chalk paint, like a gray, and then I put all my paint brushes back there, and then I just take my little Dollar Tree greenery, and so it looks like, you know, a high-end decor piece, but really, it's hiding all my paint brushes. Isn't that funny? All right, one more hack and organization idea. That is a $5 Five Below rug, and I took that and put it underneath my table, and now my kitchen has a beautiful, modern farmhouse, boho chic, you know, kind of a vibe. And it only cost me $5, and I think it looks incredible against my wood floors. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. Da, 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 da. This month's $40 Visa gift card giveaway winner is... Thank you, sweetheart, for watching my videos. Thank you. You inspire me. I love your channel. You won my $40 Visa gift card giveaway this month. Next month, I will have two again, most likely, because my husband is back to work on a normal schedule. So, Blakermaker, you are my one winner this month. Either go to m.pelzarski0@icloud.com and get in touch with me, and we'll go from there. Or you can go to my Instagram or my Facebook at Maureen Pelzarski or Mo Does DIYs, and you can get in contact with me there through my messenger, and I can either send you the card info or I could send it to you, the exact card, to your house. So just let me know what you prefer, and you have 2 days, 48 hours, and if it's not claimed within 48 hours, then I will do this giveaway all over again. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, you guys. You guys mean so much to me. We just hit 706 subscribers, and I'm literally blown away. I don't even know how this is happening. Well, actually, I do know how this is happening. I'm working really hard. I'm having so much fun, and pretty much good content trumps all. Eventually, you get there. Eventually, we all get there. I mean, that's just a fact of life. All right, so I'm going to stop rambling, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked it, then smash that like button for me. Also, make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, make sure you tap all so that you're notified when I drop every single video, because I try to drop them as often as I can. I am pregnant now, so I don't know what's going to happen, but every now and then I get a little burst of energy and I post, you know, a video back to back. So make sure you're notified because you never know when that's going to be. All right, on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say?
what I like about you.